JZC and JZM series concrete mixer is a self-falling drum mixing and reversing discharging mixer. When working, the drum rotates forward for mixing and reverse for discharging. It can mix plastic and semi-dry hard concrete. It is suitable for various constructions such as road, bridge, building and precast factory. JZC series drum rotating concrete mixer adopts gear to drive the mixing drum. The motor drives forward the gear on the drum to mix concrete and drum reverse to discharging. JZM series drum rotating concrete mixer adopts roller friction to drive the mixing drum. The motor drives the roller and the friction between roller and drum wall drives the mixing drum.